Migrating from Dynamics GP to Business Central. Microsoft is pulling the plug on Dynamics GP by 2029. This marks the end of an era. But modern businesses do not stay in the past. You need to plan for the future, and you need to plan it now. Dynamics GP served you well. But it is built for an on-premises world. Businesses today demand much more. You need an ERP that is more agile, accessible, and AI-enriched. This is why migrating from GP to Business Central is not just moving from one platform to another, it is an actual upgrade. Dynamics 365 Business is your all-in-one ERP platform that is completely hosted on the cloud. This means that you can access your ERP data and execute actions on the go. And the bonus? The infrastructure costs are significantly lower. Dynamics 365 is highly AI-enriched. From getting everyday work done by the Microsoft Copilot AI assistant to helping you make accurate demand predictions, Dynamics 365 Business Central is much more intelligent. At Evolvous, we help you migrate from Dynamics GP to Dynamics 365 Business Central, helping you get all the benefits of migration, minus the hassle. Here is how we do it. Step 1. Assessment. We start by analyzing your GP environment, including all the modules, customizations, third-party tools, as well as the volume and structure of the data. Step 2. Planning. Once we have the data we need, we start to plan, focusing on how to migrate, the timelines, and the costs. Step 3. Data transformation. Using intelligent tools, we cleanse, convert, and structure your data to fit Business Central's schema. Step 4. Migration. We migrate master data, transactional history, and custom objects using custom tools and specialized scripts. Step 5. Test and go live. We test every module, every process, and ensure that everything is perfect and you get the right experience. Once everything checks out, we will go live. Step 6. Post-migration support. We offer technical support, troubleshooting, and documentation support, so that you are fully confident in using the system. At Evolvous, we have helped companies from diverse sectors migrate from GP to Dynamics, seamlessly, securely, and strategically. So, grab the opportunity today. Migrate from GP to Business Central with Evolvous and experience the smarter way to operate your business.